Hello everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can simply copy portfolios in Etoro. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on menu, and then you're gonna see discover. You can copy people or you can invest in copy portfolios. We will look on both of these. So let's click on copy people, and now you're gonna see top investors in last 12 months, and you see this is like the risk, which is 5. Now what you need to do is when you're gonna click on like the Geoff Lee, yes, you can also see his investments, how he's doing. And when you're gonna like him, you're gonna just click on copy and just choose the amount you want. Let's go, I don't know, here, copy open trades, yes, copy. And now you start copying him, really simple. And what he's going to buy, you can just easily, you can add the funds here, update. Now, and he's going to add it with it. So also, let's go back. You can invest in copy portfolios, and let's say that you want to like also add like groups, right? This one here, sharp traders, adds in list, YOLO, create a new list. And now, okay, let's see, hit here, watch list, my watch list, YOLO, nice, and you can invest. And invest. So this is how we can copy portfolios in Etoro. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see you. Goodbye.